VM500NC program update. This video demonstrates the dual program process. Please see the following demonstration. Let's check the cutting data of 2 plates. Click Mag on. Turn cycle button into green light. Press the auto run button to start the cutting process. Let's check the auto run page. Above the cycle button, you can see the status of the A and B plates, as well as the cycle program. Once the outer plate moves inside and locks, the interface will automatically switch to the unready plates page. Let's get Auto B into cycle program. Mag on. Turn the cycle button to green. Then, head to the auto run page to view the status of the cycle program. Let's fast forward to the next step. The first cut for Auto A plate is finished. Now the machine is preparing to rotate the outer side. Once the outer plate moves inside and locks, the interface will automatically switch to the Unready Plates page. Now that the workpiece has been flipped and secured, let's load the cycle program. On the auto run page, you can see that the B plate is currently in progress. Let's fast forward to the next step. And once again, let's fast forward to the next step. Now, the material on B plate is finished, and the machine is preparing to rotate the outer side. Currently, the material on the A plate is in the cutting process. In this video, we have unloaded the B plate, loaded a new workpiece, and then updated the cycle program.
B 做完了，再来 A 最后一次，所以这一次在 B 页面我就不踢了，我直接跳 Auto Run。
Thank you for your watching.